Hi, welcome to CookerKing's channel. This is Nico. During the live show, I will introduce this aluminum die casting smart multi-function work tool. You must hear the word multi-function. So, what function does this work have? I will tell you more details in the valuing show. Well, first, as you can see, it's packed in a mailbox. Since we sell these products on our domestic market online, the packaging must be mailbox with ISTA job test standard to ensure the safety during the delivery. The packaging from our CookerKing are well designed. We do our best in terms of cost and space. We are remaining safe. Now I will open it to show the inner strategy for your reference. This is the glass lid. This is the wok. Now I will open just structure for you. Okay, let me introduce this work first. The size of this worker is 30 centimeters. The height is 9.8 centimeters. Then we focus the inside. This is non-stick coating. Of course, you have another options. For example, marble, granite, and ceramic. The coating brands we have like Wolfo, Teflon, Eleg, KFCC. We have sticker authorized if you need. As you can see, there is no refence on the surface, so it's easy for us to clean. And we don't worry there is something attached on the surface. Okay, then we focus on the outside. This is heat-resistant lacquer. The color can be changed as you like. Just over us the Pantone number or color sample. Okay, then we focus on the button. This is induction button. The induction button, that means we can use this work in all kinds of stovetops like gas, electric, induction, and so on. Do you know the advantage of induction? Okay, let me tell you. It can more even heat transfer and energy saving. Okay, let me introduce the handle. This is backlight handle. The color is using as the extra ear. The reason we add the ear is to make it easy for us to cry. Okay, let me introduce the stack. The material of this stacker is 304 stainless steel, so it's very safe. The neatness design will save a lot of space for us. Do you know the advantage, the function of this stacker? For example, it can as the dry basket or the steamer. It has a lot of function waiting for you to discover. Okay, let me introduce the glass lid. The glass lid is visible, so we can see the inside condition very easily. The edge is coated by the silicone, so it can fit the wok mouth perfectly. Let me see the knob. I guess you must notice there's some mounts on the knob. It's not only the thermonics, but also the on clock. If you don't like the color of the knob, you can change it. I really like this design. It can stand on the table. Okay, let me show you. It's really fantastic design, right? Okay, friends, if you want to customize your logo, that is okay. You can emboss the logo on the bottom, place your logo on the body, silk print logo on the ear, handle, knob, or glass lid. It's up to you. Okay, finally, I want to show you some advantages to cooperate with CookerKing. You know, we always regard our customer as our partner. We develop new cookware together and lead hot selling cheat in market. So if you have some innovation in mind, our technician will realize it in draft. There is a big team in our R&D department to support us. And all the cookware from CookerKing can pass food grade tester like DGCCRF, LFGB, and FDA. We know all the tester standards because of our nearly 40 years experience in this industry. If you are from Europe, you must be interested in product recycle project. We've got RCS certification for the 100% aluminum die casting cookware. If you are interested, please contact with us. We'll tell you more details about that. The normal NOQ for EN is at least 1,000 pieces. Maybe someone thinks it's a little high. Yes, it's hard to start a business if you are new in this industry. But now you have another choice to get a small NOQ. You could be our agency. We have agency abroad, and their business is quite good. So we think you can try it. Okay, friends, if you want to know more information about CookerKing, you can visit our website or contact with us directly. We are always waiting for you. See you next time. Bye.